Hello children, we are starting with problem set 7.4. First question. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. The ratio of the circumference and area of circle is 2:7. Find its circumference. Circumference upon area of circle is 2:7. So 2 pi r upon pi r square equals to 2 by 7. R equals to 7. So circumference equals to 2 pi r equals to 2 pi into 7 equals to 14 pi. Option A. If measure of an arc of a circle is 160 degree and its length is 44 centimeter, find circumference of the circle. Length of arc equals to theta upon 360, 2 pi r. Substituting the value and calculating, we get circumference equals to 99 centimeter. Option number D. Find the perimeter of a sector of a circle if its measure is 90 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. Perimeter of sector equals to length of arc plus 2r. So theta upon 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r, substituting the value and calculation, you will get 25 centimeter. Option is B. Find the curved surface area of a cone of radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. Slant height of the cone equals to root of r square plus h square. Substituting value, L we get 25. Curved surface area of cone equals to pi rl. Substituting the values, we get 550. Option B. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 440 centimeter square and its radius is 5 centimeter. Find its height. Curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Curved surface is given, H is not given. Simplify here. Don't substitute the value of pi. H equals to 44 upon pi centimeter. Option A. A cone was melted and cast into a cylinder of the same radius as that of the base of the cone. If the height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter, find the height of the cone. Volume of cone equals to volume of cylinder. Substituting the formula, 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to pi r square h. H by 3 equals to 5. Therefore, h equals to 15 centimeter. Option A. Find the volume of a cube of side 0.01 centimeter. Volume of cube equals to side cube. So 0.01 cube equals to, here 2 digits are there. So after 6 digits, the decimal point will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it clear? So option is D. Find the side of a cube of volume 1 meter cube. Volume of cube equals to side cube. 1 equals to side cube. Therefore, side equals to 1 meter. And 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. So, option C. Question number 2. A washing tub is the shape of a frustum of a cone, has height 21 centimeter. The radii of the circular top and bottom are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. What is the capacity of the tub? Pi equals to 22 by 7. Given for the frustum shaped tub, height h equals to 21 centimeter, radii r1 equals to 20 centimeter and r2 equals to 15 centimeter. To find capacity volume of the tub, formula of the volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Substituting the values and calculating, we get volume of frustum equals to 20,350 centimeter cube. 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Therefore, 20,350 centimeter cube equals to 20.35 liters. The capacity of the tub is 20.35 liters. Third question, Some plastic balls of radius 1 centimeter were melted and cast into a tube. The thickness, length and outer radius of the tube were 2 centimeter, 90 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. How many balls were melted to make the tube? For the cylindrical tube, height equals to 90 centimeter, outer radius R equals to 30 centimeter, thickness equals to 2 centimeter. Here you see the diagram. This is the thickness, this is the radius and this is the height of the cell. Thickness equals to 2 centimeter. For the plastic spherical ball, radius equals to R1 equals to 1 centimeter. To find the number of balls melted, inner radius of the tube, outer radius minus thickness of the tube equals to inner radius. So 30 minus 2 equals to 28 centimeter. Volume of plastic required for the tube equals to outer volume of the tube minus inner volume of the tube. So quantity of plastic used will be pi capital R square H minus pi R square H. Substituting the values from above, we will get, and calculating it, here we are getting pi into 90 into 30 square minus 28 square. Here if you want to simplify the calculations, here it is explained. Apply the expansion formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Therefore 30 plus 28 equals to 58 and 30 minus 28 equals to 2. 90 is from here, pi is from here. Next, volume of one plastic ball equals to 4 by 3 pi small r1 cube equals to 4 by 3 pi. Number of balls to be melted equals to volume of the plastic required for the tube upon volume of one plastic ball, that is 90 into 58 into 2 pi from above and 4 by 3 pi from here. Simplify it, you will get 7,830 plastic balls were melted to make the tube. Next question. A metal parallelepiped of measures 16 centimeter by 11 centimeter by 10 centimeter was melted to make coins. How many coins were made if the thickness and diameter of each coin was 2 millimeter and 2 centimeter respectively? For the parallelepiped, length L equals to 16 centimeter, breadth 11 centimeter, height H 10 centimeter. For the cylindrical coin, thickness H equals to, that is height, 2 millimeter, diameter 2 centimeter. To find number of coins made, so volume of parallelepiped equals to length into breadth into height. Simplify, you will get 1760 centimeter cube. Thickness of coin is 2 millimeter, that is nothing but the height of the coin, equals to 0.2 centimeter. Convert millimeter into centimeter. Diameter of coin D equals to 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the coin R equals to D by 2 equals to 1 centimeter, 2 by 2. Therefore, volume of one coin equals to pi R square H. Simplify this by substituting the value. It comes to 4.4 upon 7 centimeter cube. Number of coins that were made equals to volume of parallelepiped upon volume of one coin, that is 1760 upon 4.4 upon 7 from here. 7 will come in the numerator. Simplify it. Remove the decimal point here and simplify it. You will get 2800 coins were made by melting the parallelepiped. Next question. The diameter and length of a roller is 120 centimeter and 84 centimeter respectively. To level the ground, 200 rotations of the roller are required. Find the expenditure to level the ground at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter. Given for the cylindrical roller, diameter D equals to 120 centimeter, length height equals to, length means length of the cylinder is height, equals to 84 centimeter. To find expenditure of leveling the ground, solution: diameter of a roller equals to 120 centimeter. Therefore, radius of a roller equals to 60 centimeter. Curved surface area of roller equals to 2 pi RH. Substitute the value and calculate. Here it is given 31,680 centimeter square. Convert into meters square. So what we have to do, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. This is centimeter square. So divide by 100 into 100. You will get 3.168 meters square. Now area of ground leveled in one rotation equals to curved surface area of roller equals to 3.168 meters square. What we have calculated above. Area of ground leveled in 200 rotations. So 200 times it will be 3.168 into 200 equals to 633.6 meters square. Rate of leveling equals to rupees 10 per meter square. Therefore, expenditure of leveling the ground equals to 633.6 into 10 equals to rupees 6,336. The expenditure of leveling the ground is rupees 6,336. Next problem. The diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere are 12 centimeter and 0.01 meter respectively. The density of the metal is 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. This is centimeter cube. Find the outer surface area and mass of the sphere. Pi equals to 3.14. For the hollow sphere, diameter D equals to 12 centimeter, thickness equals to 0.01 meter, density of the metal equals to 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. To find number 1, outer surface area of the sphere, number 2, mass of the sphere. So here you see the diagram, the diameter is 12 centimeter and thickness is 0.01 meter. Diameter of the sphere D equals to 12 centimeter, therefore its radius will be 6 centimeter. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. You will get after calculation 452.16 centimeter square. Thickness of sphere is 0.01 meter. Convert into centimeter. So 0.01 into 100 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, inner radius of the sphere r equals to outer radius minus thickness of sphere 6 minus 1 equals to 5 centimeter. Therefore, volume of hollow sphere equals to volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. Substituting the values and calculating here, you will get volume of hollow sphere equals to 380.99 centimeter cube after rounding up. Now density of the metal. What is density? Mass upon volume. So mass of sphere upon volume of sphere. 8.88 is the density of metal given. Mass of sphere we don't know. Volume of sphere we have calculated above. It comes to 380.99. Cross multiplying this. Therefore, mass of sphere equals to 3,383.19 gram. Therefore, the outer surface area and the mass of the sphere are 452.16 centimeter square and 3,383.19 gram respectively. Next question 7. A cylindrical bucket of diameter 28 centimeter and height 20 centimeter was full of sand. When the sand in the bucket was poured on the ground, the sand got converted into a shape of a cone. If the height of the cone was 14 centimeter, what was the base area of the cone? For the cylindrical bucket, diameter equals to 28 centimeter, height equals to 20 centimeter. For the conical heap of sand, height equals to 14 centimeter. To find base area of the cone, that is pi r square. Solution. Diameter of the bucket D equals to 28 centimeter, so its radius will be 14 centimeter. Volume of bucket equals to pi r square. Substitute the value. So volume of the bucket is coming to 12,320 centimeter cube. Volume of conical heap equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substituting the value, will get 14 by 3 pi r square. But volume of bucket equals to volume of conical heap. Therefore, 12,320 equals to 14 by 3 pi r square. We want pi r square, so multiply this 3 in the numerator on the opposite side here and bring 14 in the denominator here, like this, equals to, so pi r square equals to 2640 centimeter square. That is nothing but the base area of the cone is 2640 centimeter square. Next problem, question 8. The radius of a metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 millimeter. Find the length of the wire. Given for metallic sphere, radius r equals to 9 centimeter for the cylindrical wire, diameter equals to 4 millimeter. To find length of the wire, that is h. Solution, volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the value. Here it is coming 972 pi centimeter cube. Diameter of wire D equals to 4 millimeter. Convert into centimeter equals to 0.4 centimeter. Radius of wire R equals to 0.4 upon 2 equals to 0.2 centimeter. Volume of wire equals to pi r square h. Pi into 0.2 square h equals to 0.04 pi h centimeter cube. But volume of wire equals to volume of sphere. Now pi is kept here only, see how it happens. 0.04 pi h equals to 972 pi. Pi will get cancelled. What is left? H. So 972 upon 0.04. Remove the decimal point. Simplify it. You will get 24,300 centimeter. Value of h. Convert it into meter. So divide it by 100. You will get h equals to 243 meter. The length of the wire is 243 meter. Next problem, question 9. The area of a sector of a circle is 6 centimeter. Radius is 15 pi square centimeter. Find the measure of the arc and length of the arc corresponding to the sector. Radius r equals to 6 centimeter. Area of sector equals to 15 pi centimeter square. To find first point, measure of the arc, that is theta, length of the arc L. Solution. Area of sector equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of sector is given 15 pi. Substitute the other values here. Here pi will get cancelled. What is left is 15 equals to theta upon 360 into 36, here it is there, so 36 ones are 10s are. So 15 equals to theta upon 10. Therefore theta equals to cross multiply 150 degree. Also the area of sector equals to length of the arc into radius upon 2. So 15 pi equals to L into 6 upon 2. Cross multiply here. So L equals to 15 pi after simplification. Centimeter. The measure of the arc and the length of the arc are 150 degree and 5 pi centimeter respectively. Next problem, 10th. In the adjoining figure, segment AB is a chord of a circle with center P. If PA equals to 8 centimeter and distance of the chord AB from the center point P is 4 centimeter, find the area of the shaded portion. Here you see this is perpendicular, this forms a triangle. So here pi equals to 3.14 and root 3 value, it must be root 3 value equals to 1.73. Radius r equals to PA equals to 8 centimeter, PC equals to, here point C is there, PC equals to 4 centimeter. To find area of shaded region, let angle APC equals to theta 1 in triangle ACP. Angle ACP equals to 90 degree. Why? Perpendicular drawn. So cos theta 1 equals to PC upon AP equals to 4 by 8 equals to 1 by 2. But cos 60 degree equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, theta equals to 60 degree. Similarly, we can show that angle PBC also equals to 60 degree. Therefore, angle APB equals to angle APC plus angle BPC. Therefore, theta equals to 60 plus 60 equals to 120 degree. Area of sector P dash ADB equals to theta upon 360 pi r square. Substituting the value and calculating, we get area of sector P dash ADB equals to 66.98 centimeters square. In triangle APC, sin theta equals to AC upon AP. AP is given 8. So sin theta 60 equals to AC upon 8. Root 3 by 2 equals to AC upon 8. Therefore, AC equals to 4 root 3 centimeter. Now, AB equals to twice AC. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the given chord. So, this equals to 2 into AC value is put here 4 root 3 equals to 8 root 3. Area of triangle APB equals to 1 by 2 into AB into PC equals to 1 by 2 into 8 root 3 into 4, 16 root 3. Put the value of root 3 as 1.73, multiply by 16, you will get answer 27.68 centimeters square is the area of triangle APB. Area of shaded region equals to area of sector P dash ADB minus area of triangle APB, that is 66.98 minus 27.68 equals to 39.30 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the shaded region is 39.30 centimeter square. Question 11. In the adjoining figure, square ABCD is inscribed in the sector A dash PCQ. The radius of sector C dash BXD is 20 centimeter. Complete the following activity to find the area of the shaded region. Here you see, if we take the area of this sector here completely minus area of quadrilateral ABCD, you will get area of this two shaded region. Then to calculate this is 90 degree, this is area of sector. So area of square here ABCD minus area of this sector will give the area of shaded region. Then add the area of 3 shaded region, answer will come across. Side of square ABCD equals to radius of sector C dash BXD equals to 20 centimeter. Area of square equals to side square equals to 20 square equals to 400 centimeter square. Area of shaded region inside the square equals to area of square ABCD minus area of sector C dash BXD. Therefore, area of square ABCD minus area of sector C dash BXD equals to 400 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. Substituting the value and simplifying it, we get this equals to 86 centimeter square. Radius of a bigger sector, length of a diagonal of a square ABCD root 2 into side equals to 20 root 2 centimeter. Area of the shaded region outside the square equals to area of sector A dash PCQ minus area of square ABCD equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus AB square, that is side. So 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 whole square minus 420 square. So 600, and this answer comes to 628 minus 400 equals to 228 centimeter square. Total area of the shaded region equals to 86 plus 228 equals to 314 centimeter square. Alternate method is explained here. Area of sector C dash BXD equals to theta upon 360 pi r square. Simplify, you will get 314. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. So, given side of quadrilateral ABCD equals to radius of sector C dash BXD equals to 20 centimeter. Radius of sector A dash PCQ equals to diagonal, that is root 2 into side, root 2 into 20, 20 root 2. Area of sector A dash PCQ equals to 628 after applying this formula. Now the area of the shaded region equals to area of sector PCQ minus area of sector BXD equals to 628 minus 314 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is 314 centimeter square. Question 12. In the adjoining figure, two circles with centers O and P are touching internally at a point A. Internal tangent there. If BQ equals to 9, DE equals to 5, complete the following activity to find the radii of the circle. So here you see two circles are tangent to each other. Here the whole problem I am reading out. Please see. Put the boxes. Wherever boxes are given, don't forget to put the boxes. Let the radius of the bigger circle be R and that of smaller circle be small r. OA, OB, OC and OD are the radii of the bigger circle. OA equals to OB equals to OC equals to OD equals to capital R. PQ equals to PA equals to R. Please refer the figure for the same. Now, OQ plus BQ equals to OB. OQ equals to OB minus BQ equals to R, capital R minus 9. OE plus DE equals to OD. OE equals to OD minus DE equals to R minus 5. That again capital R minus 5. As the chords QA and EF of the circle with center P intersect in the interior of the circle, so by the property of the internal division of two chords of a circle, OQ into OA equals to OE into OF. Substitute the value R minus 9 into R equals to R minus 5 into R minus 5 as OE equals to OF. Here simplifying this, R into R, R square minus 9R equals to, simplifying this, here you will get R minus 5 whole square, that is nothing but expansion, R square minus twice R into 5, that is 10R plus 25. Therefore, minus R plus 10R equals to 25, R equals to 25 units. AQ equals to AB minus BQ equals to twice R. Therefore, twice R equals to 90 minus 5 equals to 41. Dividing by 2, R equals to 41 by 2 equals to 20.5 units. With this problem, we are finishing the syllabus of geometry for class 10th. If you have any doubt, anytime you can ask me your difficulties on my email ID given. Thank you for your cooperation to complete this portion. Have a nice time.